Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me. I have here a really fun mini album with a pocket and tuck spot. It also comes with a bonus cute little mini flipbook or mini album with a pocket as well to go with your mini album. You only need one piece of 12 by 12 paper to create this whole project, and it's really easy as well. I'm going to show you guys how you can make one of these. So this is the mini album. It is really cute, and it does hold a few photos in here. I've got a white satin ribbon to use as a closure. So if there is a little bit of extra bulk with the photos, I could just adjust it by tying the ribbon to however I need to close it. You could also use a belly band if you want to use that as a closure, or just some twine or some trim. So really it's up to you what you like to use as a closure, or you could just leave it without one. But I did also embellish the front with a heart-shaped tasseled embellishment that I made, also with this cute little paper flower that I shared with you guys how you can make one in one of my other videos. I'll put the link to that video down below for you if you wanted to have a look and how you can make this really easy flower. But I made this heart embellishment in my other project in my other video, which was for this mini album or mini flipbook. And I just really enjoyed making this heart shape embellishment. So I wanted to make another one for this album and use that as to decorate the cover of this album. And then I decided to make a few more and have them listed in my store for those that may want to purchase these ones that I have made. And I'll just show you what they look like when they're not adhered to the project. So this is the heart tassel. And then you also get a matching yellow banner shape cardstock with this really nice cross shape stitched edging around the banner shape. So that's just an extra bonus. You can use that on any project you like, or you can adhere the heart shape to the cardstock. So these are how they're packaged, and you'll get a random heart tasseled embellishment if you purchase one of these. So I just thought I'd share that with you. So that goes there. And then I'll show you the inside of the album. So the inside here has the tuck spot on the side here, where you can add some more photos, or somewhere you can add some cards where you want to write some notes or journaling. I've just got here an ephemera just to show you the pocket. And then I punched out these hearts with my paper punch and just laid it on the edge just to decorate the edge of the tuck spot. So then over here you have the spot for your photos. So I didn't embellish any of the pages, only because the photos will be going onto the pages. So I didn't think there was a need for any embellishing. So then the next page has two more pages here, or two more spots for more photos. I just added this little banner ephemera just to add to the top, so I could still add the photo and just have that sitting above it. And then over here on the next page, there's two more spots for photos. And then going back this way, there'll be two more spots for more photos as well. And then you can just sort of open it up and have all the photos out this way, so you can have a look at them, or go this way, and then you'll have all your photos this way displayed nicely. So that's the parts for your photos. And then up here is your pocket where you can store more photos if you like. So there's room for photos up there. And then here is the cute little mini flipbook, or another little mini album with a pocket for your smaller photos, where you could add over here. And this is your top pocket. And I just cut these out to fit the pocket, and then I corner around the corners just to neaten the corners. Again, more spots for photos. So this is another way to have a photomat, and you can journal the back or add photos to both sides. So that's a spot there for you to add your photos. And then the next page, you've got another two more spots for more photos or journaling, or you could use this for Happy Mail as well. You know, you can use this little extra piece of flipbook for other projects, but that's just another addition to add to your mini album. I mean, you could use this for junk journaling as well, or Happy Mail. So that's just another idea for you, and I'll show you how to make that flipbook now. So you need your 12 by 12 paper, and then you want to cut your 12 by 12 at 4 inches by 12 inches. So you'll get 3 pieces from your 12 by 12. And we're going to grab one piece of your piece that you've cut out, and we're going to get your scoreboard. Just a bit of scoring to do. Sorry about bumping the camera. Hope you can see the scoreboard. Okay, so if you're using double-sided paper, just decide which side you want as your cover, and you're going to have the printed side facing up that you want as your cover. In this case, I've got single-sided paper, so I'm going to have this as my cover. And if you are using single-sided paper, it doesn't really matter because your photos will be covering the plain side anyway, so it really doesn't matter if you're using single-sided paper. Okay, so now we're going to line up on the 12-inch side, and you're going to score at 3 7/8, and that's the green mark before the 4-inch mark, and score at 7 7/8, which is the green mark before the 8-inch mark, and 11 inches. So it was 3 7/8 and 7 7/8, and then 11 inches. So that's one, and then grab another piece, and you're going to do so with the next piece, if you have double-sided paper, I'm just going to show you. So this is double-sided paper that I've used for this project. If you want the pattern of one of the sides facing the front like this, you're going to want to have your pattern paper facing up this way. So just deciding which side you want as your top, and that will be facing up on your scoreboard. So we're going to line it again on the 12-inch side, and we're going to score 3/8 of an inch, 4 1/4 of an inch, and 8 1/8 of an inch, which is the green mark just after the 8-inch mark. So I'll just repeat that. It's 3/8 of an inch, 4 1/4 of an inch, and 8 1/8 of an inch. So that's all the scoring for that one. And with the last piece, we're going to just score that one at every 3 inches. So 3 inches, 6 inches, and 9 inches. Okay, so we'll put this one to the side because we won't be working with that one yet. We'll do the mini album with the pockets first. So we're going to grab the first piece that we scored, that was scored at 3 7/8, 7 7/8, and the 11-inch. I'm just going to turn it this way. So the part here that we scored with the on the 11-inch side, we're going to fold that over and fold that up. And that's that little tuck spot in your cover. I'm going to fold the rest of the other score lines. And now what we'll do here, we'll just glue the little tuck spot up the top here and down here, just up to that fold line. And then we'll just bring that over and press that down. So now we've got this done. We're going to grab the other piece and And the part here that we scored at 3/8 of an inch, we're going to fold that in. And the next corner, we're going to fold your paper that towards you. And then this one back onto itself. So that's what you'll have. I'm just going to turn this over this way. So we've got this little piece here. I'm just going to cut along here. Cut that at an angle just up to that score line. And I'll just turn this over and do the same to the other side. So we'll bring this back over. We'll grab the cover now. And then what we want to do, this part here will get adhered to the end of that, to the cover like that. So we'll get the glue and we're going to apply that to the little flap. And then we're just going to adhere that to the cover and just adhere it beside the score line, not on the score line. So that way you'll be able to open and close your flip pages. So that should be like that. So we'll just bring this back over this way now. And we are going to now apply glue to the edge here and along here up to that score line. That will create our top pocket. So now we're just going to bring this back. I'll just bring this all over this way so you can see. And just press that down and that will give you your top pocket. Just grab. So I'll just go this way so you can see. So that's your top pocket. And then your album is pretty much done. So over here you'll have your tuck spot there, which is here, and then you've got your part for your photo, and then you open that up and this becomes your next page. So you can see here, this is just a plain paper, so your photos will go on here, so it doesn't matter if it's single-sided paper. Otherwise you could add some extra pieces of photomat paper and stick that to the front here if you want to decorate the plain side of the paper if you like. And then the next part is this part here, which then is your pocket, and that's your pocket up here, and that's your back. So that is your flipbook cover all done, and then you go that way and that's your other side. So that was pretty easy to do. So then you've done that. Now we can make your little extra bonus flip book with the pocket, which is this one here. So we'll grab your other piece of 4x12 and that piece that we scored at 3, 6 and 9. All you're simply going to do here is, again, just decide which side you want your cover. In this case, this will be my cover. So I'm going to start with my right and then I'm going to fold it this way. And then fold it back that way, and then fold this one back that way. So it's like an accordion fold, and I'm just going to press that all down so you can see that's the shape. It's like a W shape. So this will be my cover, and then you're going to turn this back this way and we're going to place glue along the edge here and then along the edge here. And that will give you your top pocket. Sorry, so again, so it's down here and down the bottom here. Just grab my glue. and then to the bottom. And then we just bring that back, and that should give you your top pocket. And that gives you your other page there. And that is all there is to that mini flip book with the pocket. So I'll just show you the top pocket, which is that one. And that's that one. And that's the next page. So that is a cute and simple mini album with an extra bonus mini flip book with a matching a flip book with the pocket using one piece of 12 by 12 paper. It's just a great little gift, I think, to give to somebody with photos, or just another little addition to Happy Mail if you'd like to give this to somebody. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye.